Hey y'all, it's Debbie, your girl with pearls, and today I'm at my daughter-in-law and son's house, and we are decorating their cocoa bar for them and my grandson to enjoy during the Christmas and winter holidays. So I hope you'll come along and join us as Brittany and I decorate the cocoa bar together. So what we're doing is we're putting down this cute candy cane striped runner. And that's going to go down the middle of the table. So now what we're going to do is we're going to place the big pieces. We've got this cute little snowman that lights up because I thought my grandson would just love that every time he comes over here. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to start with some foundational pieces. As Brittany and I put down the candy cane runner, I brought in this galvanized tray that she has. We've got the Keurig to make the hot cocoa. We put in some peppermint lights, and then of course we've got the cute little snowman for my grandson. And so what we're going to start doing now is building from there. So Britt, why don't we start, let me have the cookie jar and some of the Oreos. So what we're going to do is, my daughter-in-law absolutely loves the white frosted Oreo cookies at this time of year. So I'm indulging and spoiling her because I love her to pieces, and I got her some of these. We're going to layer them in this jar, and we're going to sandwich them between some chocolate peppermint cookies as well. So I'm going to give her this job, and she's going to work on that. Now you can take that and do that. And then I'm going to start adding some things to the bar. I'm going to be walking back and forth. I might try to cut some of that out as I start to add. So I got this cute cocoa container at Walmart, and I thought it was so adorable. You're going to see it on my hot cocoa bar as well. I just thought this was adorable. So we're going to add this right next to the Keurig because she's going to put her cocoa pods in there. Now, I don't know if you saw these at Walmart, but I absolutely went out of my mind over them. I bought them for everybody for Christmas this year. I thought they were so adorable, the little marshmallow cups. So we're going to put those in here on the bottom shelf. And this one, I'm just going to throw some candy canes in for stirrers, because who doesn't like peppermint in their cocoa? I found this at the dollar store. I thought the snowman cup was so cute. You probably saw Brittany and I and her mom make the chocolate spoons, and so I'm just going to stick him right next to the Keurig, and I'm going to stick some of these cute cocoa spoons in here. How adorable is that? Now I found this cute cocoa sign, hot cocoa sign, served nightly at Hobby Lobby. And then I've got some cute little sprinkles to add to their cocoa. We'll just stick that there. I don't know if you saw the tutorial on the frame that I did. Spray paint this white, and while it was wet, I added glitter. And then when it was dry, I sealed it with a coat of sealer. And I made this in my computer. Baby, it's cold outside. Warm up here with some hot cocoa. And I have a whole tutorial on that, and I'll link it. We're just going to stick this right back here. And Brittany did the cookies. Look at how cute that looks. And then we've got this cute little gingerbread house. This came from Target's Dollar Spot. And also from Target, this cute little tree with a peppermint tie around it. And I'm just going to stick that way back here to give some height for that. And look at how it's already shaping up. So adorable. Now these I got at Walmart, and what we're going to do is we're going to fill them up with some marshmallows and all the wonderful things that make a cocoa bar delicious. So we filled up the containers. Brittany's got the marshmallows, and she's just going to put them on the top shelf there. Some of the hot chocolate sticks from Trader Joe's to stir into the hot cocoa. How delicious are those going to be? And then we did the hot cocoa Hershey Kisses, and so she's putting that in as well. And look at how adorable that is. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take you down I have to thank my daughter-in-law, Brittany. We had so much fun doing this, and we're going to let you see it up close.
I'm so excited to try it.
Yes, she gets to enjoy it. Merry Christmas, y'all.